We've all seen them, those little robotic hummingbirds in the sky. Drones are changing our world, from delivering packages to aiding firefighters and scientists, but with every technological leap comes potential misuse. How do we protect ourselves without resorting to a real-life game of missile command? And that's what we're talking about today. We're exploring the cutting edge of peaceful drone defense, where innovation and ethics go hand in hand. Remember that zap from static electricity? It might be the key to stopping a rogue drone. Imagine a net shot from a launcher carrying a powerful electric charge. When it hits the drone, the electronics are fried and the drone falls harmlessly. Drones are surprisingly delicate when it comes to electricity. A well-placed static shock can overload their circuits, causing them to malfunction and drop. This non-lethal solution uses a basic force of nature to counter a high-tech threat. Let's talk about electromagnetic pulses, or EMPs. An EMP is a burst of electromagnetic energy that can disrupt electronic equipment. Imagine a device that generates a focused EMP aimed directly at a rogue drone. The pulse would overload the drone's electronics, causing it to temporarily shut down and make a safe landing. EMPs are non-kinetic, meaning they don't cause any physical damage. We're talking about highly targeted bursts of energy, carefully calibrated to disable a drone without affecting anything else. Drones rely on their own set of sensors to navigate. What if we could disrupt those sensors? That's the idea behind sensor disruption technologies. By using ultrasonic waves, lasers, or bright lights, we can overload a drone's sensors, effectively blinding it. We can jam their GPS signals, sending them off course, or interfere with their communication systems, cutting off their connection to the operator. It's all about exploiting the drone's vulnerabilities, turning their reliance on technology against them. These methods are non-destructive, causing drones to land safely or return to their operator. Sometimes the best solution is the most straightforward one. When it comes to rogue drones, sometimes you just need to catch them. Picture a net launched from the ground, or another drone that ensnares a rogue drone in mid-air. These methods allow for the safe recovery of the drone, which can then be examined to determine its origin and purpose. It's like forensic science for drones. So the next time you see a drone flying overhead, remember, it might be a high-tech sheriff ready to wrangle any rogue drones. We've all seen lasers in movies, from lightsabers to death rays. But in the real world, lasers are already being used for some amazing things. Now, lasers are emerging as a powerful tool in the fight against rogue drones. Imagine a laser that could target a drone's camera, temporarily blinding it and forcing it to land. These laser systems are designed to be non-lethal and highly targeted, minimizing the risk of collateral damage. The precision of these laser systems is nothing short of incredible, allowing them to target specific components on a drone with pinpoint accuracy. Let's talk about the future of drone defense, where artificial intelligence takes center stage. Imagine a network of sensors constantly scanning the skies for rogue drones. These sensors are connected to a central AI system that can analyze the data in real time, identifying potential threats and dispatching countermeasures. AI can also be used to predict drone behavior, identifying patterns and anomalies that might indicate malicious intent. Because AI systems can process information much faster than humans, they can respond to threats in a matter of seconds. Imagine a swarm of AI-powered drones working together to intercept and neutralize a rogue drone. It's like something out of a science fiction novel, but it's becoming increasingly possible thanks to advances in AI and drone technology. In a world grappling with the growing complexities of drone technology, one thing is clear. The future of our skies depends on our ability to innovate and lead with peaceful solutions. We must embrace technologies that prioritize safety, security, and respect for our shared airspace. The time to act is now. By investing in research and development, fostering collaboration between governments, industry leaders, and academia, we can create a future where drones are a force for good, not fear. Let us work together to shape a world where innovation and ethics soar hand in hand.